Welcome to another PCS Company product demonstration video. Today we'll be discussing PCS Company's black and gold mold alignment locks, specifically the top lock and radius top lock designs. PCS Company black and gold locks provide positive alignment between mold halves and are priced competitively below the market. With both styles of locks, the male insert is relieved in thickness past the parting line for smoother operation. Female inserts are notched, making removal easy and efficient. All exposed edges are chamfered for added precision and safety. Female halves have a core hardness of 58 to 60 HRC with a titanium nitrided finish that has a Rockwell hardness value of 80. Male halves have a core hardness of 40 to 44 HRC with a Melonite coating that has a Rockwell hardness value of 70. PCS black and gold radius top locks are designed with a radius on all four corners for enhanced usability. Both our black and gold top locks and radius top locks now come with a QR code that will take the customer directly to the PCS website. And all black and gold mold alignment locks come with a lifetime warranty. Please note, however, that a warranty is not available for third-party products. Thank you for watching, and be sure to visit www.pcs-company.com for more information on these and other products we offer.